In this video, I will show you Binance futures trading indicator that you can use to maximize your profits in trading on Binance futures. And in this video, make sure you stick to the end of this video, so I will explain the whole process of using this indicator. And right here, note, investing in crypto or trading, it takes a high risk, and you know what you are doing before you start trading. And right here, come to these features, and we'll be using this Ethereum or SAR. I'll use this pair of this coin, and right here you have to come to this candle right here. And you will find this price action of this token. As you can see, this token is a uptrend, and this is my previous line I draw for this token. As you can see, it's important to know about resistance and support. So let's get into this indicator. Right here, you see this price action is in uptrend. Note we are in downtrend for this from this $26, but as overall of this price action as around $20 to $90, you are seeing an uptrend. If you want to overall, you want to see this chart, and right here you just need to use this indicator right here, SAR, on Binance. This indicator is going to show you what and when to short this token, and right here, or to go long. And right here, you can, this indicator actually gives you different information at different price action and hour time frame. And if I change this to 4 hours time frame, and this indicator is still showing buy option over here, until this indicator shows sell option, is going to print another sell option at the top of this price action. You will know that now it's time for this token to hopefully go down, and you can just use this indicator to your own advantage. Right here on the 1 hour time frame, you can see this indicator is showing sell option, and from this 120, from this 126, I'll go to daily time frame again. From this 126, this token is being in downtrend. But if you want to see, if you want to check, or you want to look it from this breakout from this around $20 to this price action right here, we are in uptrend. So, and right now this daily time frame is showing buy option, but 4 hour time frame is showing buy option over here. The higher the time frame, the better you have the overview, or have the overall of the price analysis of this token. And once the 4 hour time frame and the one daily time frame is showing you buy option right here, then you will now need to draw your support and resistance and mark out your trade if you want to take this trade immediately, or you want to trade this token when it is in support or resistance if you want to short. Or for instance, right now this token is in breakout level. If this token break out in this level, it's going to go up and is showing buy option. One thing you want to do is right now is buy at $133. So if this token go to this level, you have the opportunity of upsides, and this token might run to maybe $120, or otherwise you want to hold on this, or probably make more profit with this. And you can just set your stop loss at this range right here, at this last candle right here, around $92 or $91, to give your stop loss a bit space. And that's how you can actually use this indicator to your own advantage. If you know what you are doing, you just need to go back again and set your stop loss, and you press the amount of token you want to invest in small amount, and press long or short Once you've come to the conclusion using this indicator on Binance futures, and this indicator can actually help you a lot making an informed decision on your trading setup. And that's what I want to share with you guys about this indicator on Binance futures. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. I'm going to see you on the next video.